Installing subscribers on WordPress. Hello there, it's Albert again from Subscribers, and welcome to another tutorial video. Subscribers has a direct integration to WordPress using the Subscribers plugin that can be installed in a couple of easy steps. In your WordPress admin, navigate under Plugins, click on Add New, and type in Subscribers in the search box. Subscribers is this S icon. Just click on Install Now. Wait for it to install and click Activate. Now go to your subscribers dashboard and under Settings, go to Site and copy the site ID. Go back to your WordPress admin and you should be on the subscribers plugin page, and there you will find this your subscriber site ID field and paste the site ID. Hit Save Changes and that's it. Sign up now to subscribers.com and keep your site visitors coming back with smarter web push notifications with Subscribers. Thank you for watching.